Hey everybody, it's Julie Marie and I'm here in the Protective Diet Test Kitchen, and this week's recipe of the week is scraps soup. And I'm going to give you a whole bunch of different variations to make the most amazing soups. And this one is creamed up. This one's thickened up, and I used one of the many variations you can use with your pandemic pantry to thicken the soup. There is going to be, like I said, an endless amount of ways to do this, and the starch that I'm adding into my scrap soup is tortillas. So I cut them up just like this, add them into the bottom of the bowl, and those are my corn noodles. And then I top them with my soup, the hot soup. And you could use frozen tortillas or fresh, just defrost them out on the counter if they're frozen, you know, like we do on a protective diet. And this is Jerry's bowl, and I'm going to add some surprises to his with my ferments. I'm going to add some ruby rock kraut in there. That's going to zing it up a little bit. And some probiotic pepper rings, because he likes things spicy. But there's all kinds of different fresh variations, different starches to thicken the soup with, and I'll direct you right through it with the scrap soup recipe so that we can get a dinner on the table without going to the store. I promise. These are freezer staples in this soup. These are fresh staples. I'm going to show you how to freeze your fresh staples so that you have them handy and they don't go bad. Nothing's going to go to waste during this time with the stay-at-home order on a protective diet, I promise. Take care. I can't wait till Tuesday's class because I'm going to show you a bunch of different variations and ways to save time, money, and stress staying out of the stores. Take care. Best of health.